Samsung's tri-fold phone is almost here, and the price might actually be lower than you thought. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to for all the tech news. The next big leap in foldable tech is rumored to be called the Galaxy Tree Fold, or G Fold has been teased for months, and now a fresh leak hints that the device could cost around $2,446 in South Korea, which is hundreds less than earlier whispers of $2,718. Foldables have always carried jaw-dropping price tags, with even Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold hitting over $2,000 depending on the model. That makes Samsung's Tri-Fold with its entirely new triple fold display one of the most expensive smartphones ever, but this slight price drop could make it more appealing to consumers. The leak comes from Korean blogger UX1122, who cites an internal sales channel announcement saying the base storage model would cost roughly around 3.6 million won, which is about $2,446. Samsung has a history of offering storage upgrades at launch, so early buyers might even score a bigger capacity for the same price. The Tri-Fold is expected to pack a massive 10-inch display and a larger battery than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, making it a powerhouse for multitaskers, media buffs, and tech-savvy pals. While details about its US launch remain hidden, excitement is already building up. As leaks continue to trickle out, it's clear that Samsung is betting big on foldable tech, and this Tri-Fold could redefine what's possible with a smartphone. The countdown is on for Samsung's next big folding machine, and tech fans are watching closely. This isn't just a phone, it's a bold new chapter in mobile innovation. For more updates, tips and tricks and gaming news like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.